video. This time we will try to set up Visual Studio Code to make it easier for us to use. Programming Python yeah. Okay, before that friends must download Download Visual Studio Code on Google. Type Visual Studio Code. This is it. You can click the top link. We click this download. Select the operating system to use. Where do we want to install it? I use Windows. I click Windows. Later he will be downloaded like this. When finished, later downloaded. Guys can install it How to install it is almost the same as other applications, other software applications. So just enough. Easy. Next time there will be I accept, and so on. It's pretty easy how to install it later. Guys, look in my previous videos, right? Or later on another channel how to install Visual Studio Code to save our time. Well, next, if you have friends install then it looks like this, guys. Well, after that, guys, ed to install extension to make it easier for us to code. Make coding in Python. So there is an extension that we need to install. Name is Extensio. This is the extension. Or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Well, like that. Then guys just type Python. We wait, and he needs to be connected to the internet, which of course, my friends, this one, Install it, just click install. Yes, friends. Wait for the process until it's done. Later, this extension makes it easier for us later. Learn Python. If friends have installed it later. Well, when it looks like this, guys, means it's been successful. Friends install extension Python. Next. After succeeding this, we close. Next, we come back here, Click on it, my friends. Click. Explorance. Popping up like this. Guys. I made the folder before. So we just open the folder. I don't create folders anymore because before, in the installation video, I have made the folder. I just open a folder of Drivey. I did. Then there's this Python, double click. Select folder. Well, this is it. Okay. Well, like that, I made it before. In here, the icon is already Python. If not, yes, even though already use the extensio. If not, icon like this. Friends can install an extension called this one, You can install it first. Yes, we install if not. Like that. How it looks, Well, after succeeding like this, installed later will change. This is the choice before choose. The code icons. This is the top. Okay. Once selected like that, this one close. Automatic later. The icon will be like this. Okay guys, yeah. Here we are close. Well, next. I made one. This in the previous video. Yeah, a simple script to display your output to its display later to its terminal. Well, here don't use semicolons, yeah guys. Just like PHP is not regular PHP semicolon, this is not. Just like this. Then to run it. Guys, just click this one. Run Python file. Well, this is how it looks, yeah. So it's working, guys, yeah. This is my run like this. So he would perform like this. If the length. Want to clean the screen, type CLS script. Like that. Easy, right guys, right. Just click this one. She would show up like this. You guys too could do. Zoom, guys, if the script is too small, y'all want to raise him fast. Visual Studio Code already provides it. How? The guys, just click this setting. Then choose setting. Looks yes. Okay, then type in here zoom. Mouse wheel zoom. This one is checked, yeah. So later, when pressed, the control is held. Then friends, their circles mouse it scroll, yeah. In the scroll of will later zoom, we exemplify. This is it. I press CTRL, I hold down and then I scroll. There is our mouse circle. Like this. Yes, if he's down. If he leads to us. We round it, we slide. Then he'll be small if he moves away too. US she'd be big like this. Okay. Well look, Visual Studio Code can also be changed, friends. Select File. Select Preferences. Then select Theme. Select Color Theme. There is a choice here, my friends. There's Dark Modern, yeah. That we are currently use. Let's test the Dark Studio. Somewhat less dark once, yeah. There are ashes, yes. If we use another, for example, a combi dark. Like this. This is combi dark, yeah. So it can be changed according to the wishes of each of us. This is set up Visual Studio Code in this video. May be useful.